You now understand how AI finds answers. Welcome to MS Tech World. Now let's build it, step by step. No theory, no hype. Just how real AI systems are built. Step 1. Get your data. PDFs, docs, websites, anything. Because AI is only as good as what you give it. Step 2. Convert that data into embeddings. Not words, numbers that capture meaning. Step 3. Store those embeddings in a vector database. This is where your AI memory lives. Step 4. User asks a question. You convert that question into an embedding and search for the closest matches. Step 5. Take that relevant data and send it to the model. Step 6. The model generates the final answer, not from memory, but from the context you just gave it. That's it. You just built your own AI system. This is how apps like Chat with PDFs, AI copilots, custom chatbots actually work behind the scenes. But here's where it gets interesting. Most people stop here. Real builders don't, because this system still breaks. Bad data in, bad answers out. So the next level is, how do you improve accuracy? How do you make it reliable? That's where real engineering starts. Next video, I'll show you how to make this system actually production ready.